Hi everyone, welcome to today's crafting program. My name is Dabney. I'm the Young Adult Librarian with the Twin Lakes Libraries and I use they/them pronouns. For today's program, we're going to be doing a classic camp craft, which is making a box braid lanyard with plastic cord, also known as gimp. So this is my little one that I started. So those are the sides, the top, which is a work in progress, the bottom. I tried recording a tutorial showing you how I did this, but because this is so small, it was really hard to see what I was doing with all my fingers in the way. So instead, I'm going to do the tutorial showing you how to make the braid using paracord. So this is a take-home craft, and what you can do is you can pick up the supplies, which will be the gimp of all colors. So you'll pick those up at the Mary Vinson in the Young Adult room, or you can come over here to the Hancock branch and pick out what colors you want for yourself. Alright, so to get started, what you'll want is equal lengths of the material you're using. So I think for, a 4 to 6 inch long lanyard, you would want about 3 yards each color of gimp or whatever you're using. But I'm just making a sample one, so I have about 2 feet of paracord. It's about the same length, so I'm going to figure out the midway point. That's what you want to do to get started. Find the halfway point on your material, and then I'm going to flip this down and we'll get started. So I'm going to use my black cord going vertically and my rainbow cord on top of it horizontally. So we're going to start from the bottom and we're going to put that, looping it over top of the rainbow. Then the top end is going to loop over the rainbow going this way. So you got these 2 loops going on. Then we'll take this end of the rainbow and it's going to go over the top of this one and through this second loop like that. Now this other end of the rainbow, it's going to go over the top of this one and through this loop. And then what you do is you're going to start tightening everyone up. That. Just keep pulling. And I like to kind of hold it and then pull all the sides until it's a nice little box like that. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're looping the black cord down and looping this end up, over. And so this rainbow cord, if you looked at our box, it's the bottom level. So that means, let's see, it's going to go over this one and through this one. This one is going to go over this black loop and through the second black loop on top and tighten it up. So we'll do some more examples in a second. You guys would not believe how long it took me to get this. It took a lot, especially because I was using that gimp at first, which I kind of find hard to work with. So yeah. Definitely a lot of trial and error this morning trying to figure out exactly what I was doing. Alright, so we'll do it again. So black goes up, this goes down, then this rainbow cord is at the top, so it goes over this one, under this one, like that. this one goes over and under. And then we're tightening it. And there's lots of tutorials and instructions online, so if you're like having a hard time following what I'm doing, definitely check out some other ones. So this one goes down, this one goes up. And then what I was talking about direction-wise is down here, the rainbow is at the bottom, that's this one here. So that just means this one goes over this one, under this one. This one goes over and under. So I feel like once you've got the hang of it, it's, you know, pretty easy to do. But I also think the reason I might have been having such a hard time with the gimp is I was working with such short strands that it was just hard to keep everything together. Like the knots wouldn't stay very tight. Like this paracord, the knots are staying tight. Like, that's good. But that stuff, no. I have to try it again later and see if I have better success. But, and we've also got keychains. I'll show y'all once we finish this up. I think I'll do a few more and then show you how to tie this off. I also saw a tutorial where they were doing like adding beads, making like doing some different braids, which is pretty cool. So I think I'll do one more and then we'll tie it off. So this goes over, under. And you might be like, what is the point of this craft? I don't know. I was looking it up, and it's also known as like a boondoggle craft, which is like the definition is like something that's just like a waste of time and money. It's like kind of a pointless thing. Yeah, I mean, kind of. But you know, I see these a lot as like, you know, they're used as lanyards, they're used as keychains. I thought it would be cool to, you know, make a keychain with the plastic gimp and then hang like a little charm from it, like a something, you know, make a shrinky-dink charm and hang it from there. That would be cool. Okay, so we'll do one more and I'll show you what's going to happen next. So just doing like a regular thing. And you know, if you watch this and you don't understand, you can also come by the library and we can give you a little tutorial. Alright. So this is just like normal, except at this point what we're going to do is we're going to tie everything off. So it gets a little complicated, but alright, so the rainbow one, you're going to loop it through the one closest to it. So that's this. So we're going to go through, looping it under, and it's going to go up through this middle, like that. Then the black cord, it's going to loop through here, go up through the middle. So this rainbow cord, sorry, this is getting complicated. Alright. Oops. Okay. Hold on. Okay, that just looks like a hot mess, right? Okay, well, I'm just gonna start pulling on things, tightening them up, and we'll see how it turns out. It turned out looking not bad when I did it the first time, so I'm hoping that's how it's gonna go this time. But I'm just sort of tugging each one of them individually, tightening it up. And I don't know, maybe I messed it up, maybe I didn't. It's just wanting to make kind of like a big knot at the end. Yeah. Anyways, it's not perfect, but that's okay. So like that. So as you can see, there's a bottom of a braid, which if you wanted to, you could put, let's see if we can put the keychain on there. Maybe not. I'm trying. Well, I'm not going to do it right now because but you can put a keychain on there, and that's what that loop is for. But then you've got the sides, rainbow, black. I think it looks cool. And then here, if you're doing gimp, you could just like trim it here, or however, whatever you want it to look like. And that would be it. But if you were doing this with paracord, you would have to trim it and then burn or singe the ends with a lighter, so that way it doesn't unravel, because that's what it'll do. Okay, so that's our craft. Again, this is a take-home craft. You can pick it up at the Mary Vinson. There is a form in the video link, so you could do that as well if you want to specifically pick out colors for your craft. We have all these cool colors. But yeah, that is our episode for today. I hope y'all are having a good week and a good New Year's. Happy 2022. We've got a lot to look forward to. So I will see y'all next time. Bye.